Today I have got a deliciously easy barbecue sauce recipe for you. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have got a sugar-free barbecue sauce for you, and you won't even be able to tell that it's sugar-free. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Did I forget to mention that it's easy? It's super easy. All right, all of the ingredients as well as the amount is going to be in that description box down below. You're going to start off with 6 ounces of tomato paste, and I have this little itty bitty scraper to help me get every last bit of tomato paste out of this can here. So 6 ounces of tomato paste, and next up is 1/2 cup of water, and then go ahead and turn the burner on to medium. Next up is balsamic vinegar. I've got white balsamic vinegar here just because I like the taste better. You can also use regular balsamic vinegar. You're going to use 1/4 cup of that. And up next, you're going to add, it's 1 teaspoon each of chili powder and salt. Then I've got some vegan Worcestershire sauce here. It's the Wizards brand. Annie's also makes a vegan Worcestershire sauce. You're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. And then I've got this huge bottle of liquid smoke. It's a hickory flavor. You can use any liquid smoke you can find. I got this at a cash and carry, which is a restaurant supply. That's why it's so big. But you can use any that you can find. Usually it's found, I think, near like the balsamic vinegars in grocery stores. But anyways, 2 tablespoons of that. And then just stir and mix it up. You want to break up all of the tomato paste and just stir until everything is nice and combined. Cook it over medium heat until everything is nice and combined. And I am going to just keep stirring this and cooking it until everything is all melded together. All the flavors have combined and it's cooked down just a little bit. And then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it is all done. You can tell it's just a little bit thicker. And this makes enough for basically like one night, well, in our house, because we have 4 people. And I like to just dump a can of chickpeas in here, or some chickpeas that I've cooked in my Instant Pot, or some soy curls that I've reheated, or some tofu that I've baked in the oven. You know, pretty much any protein source you can use this barbecue sauce on. And like I said, you can't tell that it is sugar-free. So this is a really good option if you are trying to go sugar-free. So give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Wasn't that a super simple barbecue sauce recipe? So you can either make this sauce on the day that you're going to use it, or you can make it in big batches and put it in mason jars and store it in your freezer to use later. So you decide, it's up to you. So if you like this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time on the channel and you're not a subscriber, be sure to click that little red subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you next time. So you decide how you want to make it and how you want to store it or not store it. Just make it the day that you're the words not with the words. Okay, start again. Okay.